Windows script run host.vbs error on startup fix. So if you're having that kind of issue, what I want you to do is simply open up Notepad and open a new text document. There, just type in wscript.quit, which means wscript.quit, wscript.quit. Once you type that in, click on File and click on Save As. Now on the text documents, you can see Save As type, select all files, and in the file name you want to type in startupcheck.vbs. So you want to just go ahead and type in VBS right here, startupcheck.vbs. Now where you want to save this is, you want to save this to your C drive on system32 folder. So go to C drive, Windows, and simply select the system32 folder over here, and then click on save. If it asks you that you don't have the permission, would you like to save in this folder, you can just click on the yes option. And if it says that you already have a file there and to replace it, you can go ahead and then replace it as well. This way you should be able to fix that Windows host run file. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.